Hey teachers, I wanted to share a tip in Schoology that you may or may not be ready to hear, but I think it's super helpful and I wanted to share it with you just in case a couple of you want to use it right now. So I talked to Sharon Merrigan right before winter break about adding Schoology report card standards, or adding the report card standards into Schoology so we can attach them to our assignments so that we can maybe use them for report cards, because I was feeling really at a loss. So she added them over winter break, and we chatted yesterday about how to use them, and I wanted to share some tips. It's not perfect, and it's really best for semester 2 when we add new assignments, but I want to show you what I've done in my Schoology and show you the mastery reports that are super helpful. So there's a tab on the left called Mastery, and when you add the report card standard or grade level standards to your assignments, it pulls up mastery reports, which in the end could help you with report cards. So if I click on a student, then I can have just one glance, and I've only changed a couple of assignments because it's kind of tricky to do when you already have assignments that are assigned. So if I look at a glance, I can see all of the standards that I've added so far, and I could, for example, choose a student, and it would give me just a glance of how they've scored on each standard, and Sharon made sure she put them in as how they're worded in the report card, just to help us just have one place to look for mastery. So let me show you how you add those to assignments. So for example, let me go in this coming week, and maybe I want this particular assignment to have show up in that mastery report. And so when I make the rubric that I have and I add a learning objective under custom learning objective, school, elementary report card standards, you click your grade, subject, and the standard that it is, and for this assignment it was this, and I click add learning objective, it's going to show up in the rubric. And so when I score this assignment, this particular point value will show up in the percentage for that in the mastery report. So let me show you one more. This is in a quiz, and I made it worth 5 points, and in the questions, let's see, here's a question, the matching question, and then I aligned it. I click align, and then I go follow the same steps. Custom learning objectives, school, report card standards, your grade, the subject, and then for this one it was the vocabulary, and I added it. That way this quiz will show up in that standard. So that's the new report card standards in Schoology at a glance. If you have any questions, reach out. There's going to be some trainings from Sharon before semester 2 if this is something you are interested in pursuing for semester 2. Reach out at any time with questions. Good luck, guys.